Next, we have the clone tool. This is a very nice tool to use. Like the healing brush tool, you need to select an area where you want to start your clone by holding the Alt and clicking on the area. So let's select an area, holding Alt. Let's begin over there. Now you can start your clone anywhere on your canvas and it will copy it across. What is different here than that of the healing brush tool is that the clone tool selection spot moves in the direction that you are cloning, where the healing brush only stays on that one sampled spot. There are options that you can set to go into more quality with the clone tool. Here at the top, you can set the brush size and make the edges softer, and you can set the opacity to make it more faded. Next, we have the eraser tool. It does exactly that. It erases. Make sure you are on the correct layer when using this tool. Just like the brush tool, you can make the size of the eraser tool bigger or smaller, or even erase with a brush tool. Let's duplicate this layer just to show you. Hide the background layer, and we will erase this. Like that. You can set the opacity of the eraser to only erase, for example, 40%. Like that. Okay, let's zoom out. Next, we have the gradient tool. The gradient will give you a fade effect from one color to another one, or from one color to transparency. If you double click here at the top, you can choose your color from a list or select your own by double clicking on these small arrow pointers. Like that. You can have more than two colors by selecting from the list above, like that, or by clicking on the open spaces between the arrow pointers, like that, and click OK. At the top, you can choose if you want your gradient to be linear or circular, and so on, like this. On your canvas, you click and drag to the side and the angle that you want your gradient to be, like that. Or for linear, you click and drag, like that.